Hi, good morning, dear students. So, in this class, I am going to start another chapter, that is playing with numbers. Playing playing with numbers. Okay, so here in this class, so we are going to learn about if one addition or a multiplication problem is given, then we will directly solve. Okay, for example, 24 plus 30, if it is given for addition, then what we will do? 4 plus 0 4 and 2 plus 3 is 5. We are directly writing this. Now, if for example they gave 2a plus 30, that is equals to 54. So first directly they give the numerical value. In this example 24 plus 30, we wrote that as 54. Now in the second case they give 2a plus 30, that is equals to 54. Now here we have to find out the value of a. So just comment me what is the value of a here. Okay, these are the two problems. Here 4 is present, and in this problem instead of 4 a is present. So that means value of a is 4a. Therefore a equals to 4. In that case only, so the sum becomes 50. So that means we have to find out the unknown values. Okay, we have to find out the unknown values. For example, 2 into a equals to b. 2 into a equals to b. So we can consider any number. So for example, I will consider 2 into 4 equals to 8. Here value of a becomes 4, value of b becomes 8. And similarly, if I consider 2 into 5, it becomes 10. Here value of a becomes 5 and value of b becomes 10. So by using this similar kind of method, we have to solve the problems. And after that, so divisibility. So which numbers is divisible by 2, which numbers are divisible by 3, and which numbers are divisible by 5, 10, 9, etc. We have to find. We have to learn about this in this class. Okay. First, I will directly go to the first exercise that is present in page number 7. So very simple exercise. So you have to comment the answer fast. So take one a rough note and open your textbook. So exercise 1. Exercise 1. Just open a notebook and keep your neat note, keep your textbook in front of you. So I will write the questions here and I will solve, but you have to solve earlier. First one, find the value of the letters in each of the following and give reason for the steps in all. So no need to give reasons, only just find what the, that means what are the values of the letters present here. The first one 3a plus 25, that is equals to b2. So now write the possible values of a and b. So if plenty numbers of values we can substitute, then comment me the values. If a single values for a and b, then comment me that. First, 3a plus 25 is equals to b2. Here we have to find out value of a and value of b. So Shahid Fatima give b as 5 and y should be as 5. Then any other answers? Comment your answers fast. So after your answer, I will solve that. Rupa gave A6, B7, and Panchu gave A7, B6. Aishwarya. Any other answers? So you have to try to solve fast. A3 and Ruxana, Abhishek B5. Okay, so here, first we have to say this term. A, 5, then 2. So for 5, which number if we add, we'll get 2. So that is not possible. Okay, for 5, if we add certain number, we'll not get 2 as the answer. But there is a possibility of getting 12. So therefore, for 5, which number we have to add to get answer as 12? For 5, which number we have to add to get the answer as 12? Which number? So that is 7 we have to add. So therefore, here, so I will write 3, 7 plus 25. 5 plus 7, it becomes 12, and 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. See here, therefore value of A is 7 here and value of B is 6. Here, value of A is 7 instead of A. So here I consider A as 7 and instead of B, the value is 6. So this is the single possible case. How many of you got the correct answer? Comment your name. First we have to see the addition terms. We have to come from right hand side. Then the next one. The next problem. For A 98, so addition, that gives C B 3. 4A plus 98, that gives C B 3. Just first comment me the value of A now. For A, which number we have to get the answer as 3? Okay, we can't be able to get 3 by adding certain number to 8. But we'll get 13 by adding certain number. Just comment me that value. What is the value of A in this case? Comment me the value of A. A is 5. Any other answers? Okay, I'll consider A value is 5. 45 plus 98. 5 plus 8, it becomes 13. 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 40. So therefore, value of A is how much? Value of A is 5. Then value of B is 4 and value of C is 1. Value of C is 1. For a simple one, just to get the answer. Now I'll move to the next problem. That is third one. 1a into a, that gives 9a. 1a into a, that gives 9a. So that means we have to find out numerical value for a, and same value we have to multiply to the 2-digit, and we must get 2-digit value such a way that the unit place is again a. Okay, we'll search that. So if I consider 11, so if in the first case I consider a value as 11, 11 into 1, it gives 11, not 19. Then I will consider 12 into 2. Okay, 12 and 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. So if I consider 13, okay, your value of a 13. If I substitute a value of a as 3, then it becomes 13. 13 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So that is also not possible. If I consider 14 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 1s are 4, 5. If I consider 15 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. If I consider 16 into 6, 6 6s are 36, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. So here I got value of this number. So initial value 6, then again a value, again a value. So therefore this implies 16 into 6, that gives 96. Therefore value of a is 6. Therefore value of a is 6. How many of you got the same answer? Comment your name. If you understood, just click on the like button. First, the next problem. Fourth one, AB plus 37, that gives 6a. AB plus 37, that gives 6a. Now this is for your work. Just solve this and comment me the answer first. First come from right hand side. Okay. So for 7, which number we have to add to get the value a, and same value we have to substitute. Okay, same value we have to substitute. Then that value plus 3, that must give 6. Okay. So for 3 we can add 3, it becomes 6. Otherwise, for 3, if we add, and if 1 comes in the carry, then also it becomes 6. Just find out. Okay, check and comment, or any other values. First, comment your answers, which value you have to substitute in the place of a and b. here I will consider b value is 5. 5 plus 37. 5 plus 7, it becomes 12. So 1 carry. Then here I got the value of a as 2. Here also a. So same I will substitute here. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. 16. So therefore value of a is 2 and value of b is 5. Value of a 2 2 and value of b is 5. Okay, the next one. Next problem, fifth one. 8b into 3 that gives CAB. AB into 3 that gives CAB. So here we have to substitute the value of A and B, and here we'll get the value of CAB. So these two values must be equal to each other. In that case only our solution is correct. So try to find out the value. Fast. So I will consider B as 5 and value of B as 0 into 3. It gives 3 into 0, 0, 3 5s are 50. So A value, that is A value is 5. Then B value, B. Therefore B value is 0 here. And what is the remaining? C, and C value is 1. So therefore in the place of AB I substituted 5 and 0, and I got the answer as 150 in the place of CAB. Then sixth one. Sixth problem. AB into 5. AB into 5 that must give CAB. AB into 5 that must give CAB. Just try to find out this answer. So again, use different values for the substitution. Okay, again in this case, I will substitute the value of A as 5 and B as 0 into 5. 5 into 0, 0. 5 5s are 25. So see here, B, 0, 0. B value is how much? 0. And then A value, A. In the place of A, what is present? 5. And C value is 2. That means 50, 5s are 2. Therefore, your value of A is 5, value of B is 0, and value of C is 2. So the next one. Seventh one. AB into 6. AB into 6 that gives B. You have to substitute the value of A and B in such a way that the multiplication of AB with the help of 6 that gives BBB. 3 times same digit must repeat. Okay, just try to solve AB into 6 that gives BBB. Okay, here I will consider value of A as 7, value of B as 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24, then 6 7, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, plus 2 44. Therefore, value of A is 7 here and value of B is 4. So, B 4 4 4, B and value of A is 7. Just look at the answer. Now, next one you have to solve, that is 8th one. Okay, I think this method is easy. Only you have to find out the possible cases. Next one, 8th one. Eighth one, A1 plus 1B that gives BC. So A1 plus 1B that gives B0. So now first substitute the value of B in this problem. First substitute the value of B in the right hand side and add 1 to B that must give 0. So which is that possible case? In which case we are getting 0 as the answer when we add certain number to 1. 2 plus 1 it is 3, 4 plus 1 it is 5, 6 plus 1 it is 7. Just by trial and error method find out the value of B. Which is that possible case? Comment your answers first. Which is that possible case for which if we add 1 to that number it gives 0? So, there is only one possible case, that is we have to substitute 1. 1, so here 1 plus 9 it is 10, 1 and here we must get again 9 as the answer. Okay, so directly I will substitute 9. So 1 is present here, 1 is here, 2, that means we have to add 7. 1 plus 9, 10, 1, 7 plus 1, 8, plus 1, 9. So therefore, value of A is 7 here and value of B is 9. Value of A is 7 and the value of B is 9. And similarly, next problem. Just try to find the answer for the 9th question. Again, addition problem. Ninth one. 2AB plus AB1 that must give B18. 2AB plus AB1 that gives B18. So now first comment me what is the value of B. So for which number we must add 1 to get answer as 8. Comment me the answer first. For which number we have to add 1 to get the answer as 8? First, for which number we have to add 1 to get the answer as 8? So that is for 1 we have to add 7. I'll write 2 here, 7 plus b value 7 1. 7 plus 1 8. Again b value 7. Here I substituted value of b as 7. Okay, 7 plus 1 8. Then again 7. Here I must get value of a as total sum as 11. Therefore, for 7 I have to add 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So therefore it becomes 4. So here also 4. Now we'll see the sum. 7 plus 1 8, 4 plus 7 11, 1, and 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7. So therefore value of a is how much here? Value of a is 4 and value of b is 7. Just look at this answer. Here value of a is 4 and value of b is 7. Now similarly try to solve the 10th problem. Tenth problem. Problem is 1 2a plus 6ab that must give a 0 9. 1 2a plus 6ab that gives a 0 9. So now we have to substitute the value. So by considering the value of a in this case, we have to solve this. Okay, here I will consider the value of a as 8. Value of a as 8. So I will consider 1 2 8 plus 6 8, then 8 0 9. Here I consider the value of a as 8. For which number I have to add 8 to get answer as 1? Answer as 9, that is 1. 8 plus 1 9, then 2 plus 8 10, 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8. That means here, see here, it is 9. So it will not be, the value of a or b is not beyond value of 8. And here we must get 0 as the answer. That is possible only when if we get a sum as 10. So therefore here already 2 is present. To become 10 we have to add 8. So therefore I consider value of a as 8. So therefore I got value of a as 8 and value of b as 1. Okay, this is the solution of the first exercise. So this completes first exercise. Now I will move to the next exercise, that is divisibility test. How many of you understood this? Just comment your name. Fast. Next is divisibility test. That is how to find out the divisible values. So divisibility test. So if a certain number is given and we have to find out whether that number is divisible by 2 or 4 or 6 or 9 or 3 or 10 or 5. So which method we have to follow? That is present here. Okay, first given is the divisibility by 10. First one is by 10. So if certain number is given, then the end value must be equal to 0. End value must be equals to 0. Then in that case we can directly write the given number is divisible by 10. For example, I will consider 56490. Check whether this number is divisible by 10 or not. So that means we must get whole number. Okay, we may get fraction, but if any number is divisible by 10, we will get the fraction also. But in this case, the complete divisibility means we must get a whole number. And similarly, 5, 6, 4, 9. So here we will get decimal. So therefore this is not divisible. So completely there is multiple of 10. So this is multiple of 10, but this is not the multiple of 10. That means the end digit of the given number must be equal to 0. The next one. So listen carefully. Based on this, we have to solve the problem. Second is divisibility by 5. So which are the possible cases? Just comment which are the possible cases in which we will get the multiples of 5. So in multiples of 5, which are the end digits? Which are the end digits? That means the end values must be equals to either 0 or 5. If the number is either 0 or 5, then you can write the given number is divisible by 5. For example, 375 or 420. So here end digit is 5, here end digit is 0. Therefore, we can directly write the given numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, this is the second case. The next one is divisibility by 2. Next one, third one. By 2. So just comment me which are the end digit. We have divisibility by 10. Divisible by 2. The end digit must be equals to either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the number ends with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then we can tell the given number is divisible by 2. So that is, for example, 22 or 24 or 66 or 88. Or you can consider 108. So end digit is 8. So that is divisible by 2. The next one. Divisibility by 9 and 3. Fourth one. by 9 and 3. So here small change or small break is present. So that is to find out whether the given number is divisible by 9 or 3. First step. For example, I will consider one number 3, 3, 3. So I have to find out whether this number is divisible or not. So what I have to do is I have to add these three numbers. So that is 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. And see here, 9 is divisible by 9 as well as 9 is divisible by 3. So that means whatever may be the number, we have to add all the digits. And if the sum is divisible by 9 or 3, then it is true case. If the sum is not divisible by 3 or 9, then the whole number is or the given number is not divisible by 3 or 9. So in this case 333 is divisible by 9 as well as it is divisible by 3. Similarly, I will consider another one example. 5 to 7. Now again we have to check whether the given number 527 is divisible by 3 or 9. So what I have to do? I have to add the digits. 5 plus 2 plus 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, it gives 14. So 14 is not divisible by 9 as well as 14 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, I can write 527 is not a multiple of 9 or 3. Or I can write 527 is not divisible by 9 or 3. Okay, I think everyone understood this. Now I will give one number and you have to comment me whether that number is divisible by 3 and 9 or not. I consider 7, 0, 2, 9. Just comment me whether 7029 is divisible by 3 and 9 or not. So what you have to do? You have to add the digits. Just comment me the answer fast. So just add all the numbers. So what you have to do? Add 7 plus 0 plus 2 plus 9. 7 plus 0, 0, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. And 9 2s are 18. 3, 6 are 18. So therefore, the sum is divisible by 3 and 9. Therefore, the given number is also divisible by 3 and 9. So therefore, 7029 is divisible by 3 and 9. Okay, that is divisible by 3 and 9. Answer. Now based on this, we have to solve the exercise. How many of you understood this? Just comment your name. Fast. Next exercise. That is exercise 2. So in this exercise, they not give to find out whether the given number is divisible by 10 or 2 or 5, because they are very simple one. and they give only about 3 and 9. Now we have to find out whether the given number, that is divisible by 3 or 9, or just like the previous exercise, they give certain unknown value in between, and we have to find out that value such a way that the given number is divisible by 3 or 9. Okay, for example, in the previous example I considered 3, 3, 3, and here I told 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 9, and 9 is divisible by 9, and also 9 is divisible by 3. That means sum of this 3 digit is divisible by 3 and 9. So what I conclude in that case, that is therefore 333 is also divisible by 9 and 3. Now for example, if they give 383 is divisible by 3 and 9, then find out the value of a. So which are the possible case? The possible case is if I consider 333 or 363. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, that is divisible by 3 and 9. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 3 12, that is also divisible by 3. Okay, that is divisible by 3. So now we have to find out whether the given numbers are divisible or not. First exercise, first problem, if the number, first one, 2 1 y 5 is multiple of 9, is a multiple of 9 of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So now here we have to find out the value of y. Okay, in which case we will get the sum as multiple of 9. Okay, so here 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, and so directly I will add here 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. So here 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8 plus y. Okay, now which value we have to substitute for y such a way that it becomes the multiple of 9. Just comment which value I have to substitute in the place of y. 8 plus y. So if I consider y equals to 1, what happens? 8 plus 1, it becomes 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. So when this is divisible by 9, then 21 by 5, that is 2195 is also divisible by 5. So therefore the value of y is 1. Therefore 21, a value of 115 is multiple of 9. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9. Okay, this is the first problem. Then second one, again 31z5, 31z5 is a multiple of 9, is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit, what is the value of z? Again we have to add the values. 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. It becomes 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9 plus z, 9 plus z. So which number we have to add? So for 9, if I add 0, it becomes 9. And for 9, if I add value of z as 9, in that case I will get the answer as 18. So if I consider 9 plus 18, it becomes 27, and 27 is also divisible by 9. But here we have single digit, not two digit. That's why. So 18 value does not come in this. So only two possible cases are present in this case. Therefore, value of z is 0 or 9. Value of z is 0 or 9. So the value of z, see here, 9 plus 0, it becomes 9, and similarly 9 plus 9, 18. So we are not substituting two digit value, because here they give only single, that is z. Then the third problem, I think you understood this. Just comment me the answer of third problem. What is the value of the unknown one? 24x. 24x is a multiple of 3. Is a multiple of 3. So 24x is a multiple of 3. So which value we have to substitute? Two plus 4 plus x. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6. So that's the possible case are 6 plus 0, that is 6, that is divisible by 3. 6 plus 3, that is 9, that is divisible by 3. 6 plus 6, that is 12, that is divisible by 3. 6 plus 9, it becomes 15, that is also divisible by 3. Okay, we can't able to substitute value of x as 12 or 15 because that is two digit. Here we have only single digit. Therefore, possible cases. Therefore, possible values of x are 0, 3, 6, 9. 0, 3, 6, 9. Now the next one. So only we have to substitute the value such a way that the sum is, so here once again I will tell you, if the end digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. If the end digit is 0 or 5, then that is divisible by 5. If the end digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that is divisible by 2. If the end digit is, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9, then the given value is also divisible by 9. Okay, then fourth one, 3, 1, z5. 3, 1, z5 is a multiple of 3. Is a multiple of 3. It is given that 315z is a multiple of 3. Now we have to find out value of 3. Try to solve. First we'll add the digit values 3, 1, z plus 5. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9 plus z. Which value we have to substitute? The possible cases are 9 plus 0, reduce 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 9 plus 3, it becomes 12. 12 is also divisible by 3. 9 plus 6, it becomes 15. 15 is also divisible by 3. Then 9 plus 9, it is 18. That is also divisible by 3. Next digit, it is 2 digits. Okay, so therefore 0, 3, 6, 9 are the possible values. Therefore possible values of Z are 0, 3, 6, 9. 0, 3, 6, 9. 0, 3, 6. How many of you understood it? Just comment your name. Once again, I will tell you how to find out that whether the number is divisible by 3 and 9 or not. First, so I'll drop this. So I'll consider one number 4, 1, 5, 7. So first I have to add. Okay, 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, it is 17. 17 is not divisible by 3 or not divisible by 9. Okay, first, if I make this as 3 or I will make this as 2, so it becomes 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So the given number is divisible by, therefore sum 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore 4152 is also. So first we have to add all the digit values and then we have to check whether that is divisible by 3. If that is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. If the given number is not divisible by 3, then the given number is also not divisible by 3. Also is also divisible by 3. The same thing I will consider for 9. Okay, so sum is how much? Again 12. Therefore sum 12 is not divisible by 9, because 12 is not divisible by 9. So therefore 4152 is also not divisible by 9. So first we have to add the values, add all the digit values, and then we have to go for the next process. I think everyone understood this. Just go through this exercise, both the exercise once again. Simple exercise and easy. Okay, thank you everyone. I'll continue in the next class.